He likes pudding?
Yeah.
Boy! Gross.
So we're gonna do a fun firework paint project. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
So all you need is a red paint and a blue paint, and I decided to add a little bit of glitter paint. And then all you need is a marble. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some drops of paint here, and then your marble, and then you're gonna slide it around, and it's gonna make fireworks. Ready? Let's get started. Very good. A little bit of glitter.
The ball going.
All right, put the ball in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna go like this.
Whoa!
You do it.
Whoa, we're making crazy stuff.
It's like a firework.
It's fireworks.
Look how cool this turned out. It looks like fireworks.
Bird.
Layla, here. Okay.
Do you want those strawberries?
Oh, heck yeah. Break them off.
Look at her.
It is heavy.
I think I want too much, Daddy.
Did you have fun at the pool, Elsie? Yeah, that was a lot of fun. We spent about 2 hours out there, so I didn't put any sunscreen on. So we'll see what that's like. Right now we're checking out some chickens. Oh, there's eggs, or an egg, single.
There you go. You can take it home or you can eat it. Gotta be careful there.
How about mommy holds it?
Hey guys, what's up? You gonna lay some eggs for us? Lay some eggs for us so we can have some breakfast. You like eggs, Layla? Oh, you got one. Eat that for breakfast tomorrow? All right.
Then you take it.
Got this little egg. It's pretty small, but we got it from that chicken coop right over there. From some good friends of ours. We're gonna have this for breakfast in the morning, huh, Layla? Breakfast in the morning?
Yeah! Can I hold it?
So our plan was to go to a local church to watch fireworks, and so we got ready, we went over there, and as soon as we pulled in, somebody waved us forward and told us that all the parking was full, and that we'd have to shuttle, or we'd have to park at a local school 2 or 3 miles away, and then shuttle over to the church to watch the fireworks. But we've got, you know, a 3-year-old and an 11-month-old, and it would already be past their bedtime. So plan B was to go look for fireworks yourself here at Publix, and we'll see what they have. Hopefully they've got something left at it's 8 o'clock on 4th of July, so we'll see what they got. We're sold out here. Don't know what. Oh, whoa! There's one left. There's one left, guys. I think this is gonna work. Wow, one left. I can't believe there was only one left. Layla is gonna be so excited. So now we're gonna look for some sprinkles. We're gonna get ice cream, do sprinkles. I think that'll be the best thing. Layla was pretty disappointed that we couldn't, that we didn't want to wait that long to see the fireworks with the traffic and everything. So we're gonna get sprinkles and some ice cream. We got these fireworks right here. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Watch this. All right, check this out. It gets hard. Oh yeah. You want some, Layla? You want some? Here, put some on there.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Like right there? Yeah, I read that. All right. Nice. Dakota, are you gonna get any? Oh, you got some. Nice.
I want some.
Here you go. Do it.
it?
Mommy, do you want some sprinkles?
Yeah. I just want a little bit of chocolate. Yeah. Oh!
Not all the sprinkles.
Yeah, that's gonna be delicious. Thank you.
Mommy.
Does anybody else want it?
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Very shy about yours.
Let me get you too.
Gosh, it got me.
Alright, you guys, so we're about to shoot off the fireworks that I just found at the store, and our neighbors, everybody is shooting off fireworks. It's really cool. So I thought, since everybody's shooting off fireworks, how cool would it be to take the drone up to see what everybody's doing? The drone will go about 1,200 feet high and about a mile away. So if anybody's shooting fireworks anywhere around us, we're gonna be able to get right up on them. It's gonna be epic. And as always, like this video, it means so much to us. Click subscribe if you haven't already so that you can see what we do next, and have a wonderful 4th. See ya!